to my channel. This is Valerie, otherwise known as Sassafras1. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Today's video is going to be, yeah, that's the same one. Y'all like this unit? I did a review on this unit a little while ago, and I'll have to introduce it to you on another video. This video is going to be about belt buckles. I have, throughout my adventures at the thrift store, I have to tell you a story. When I first started going to the Goodwill outlet, I was like really overwhelmed, but I was sorting through the bins and I found this authentic Louis Vuitton belt buckle. And I don't know what, I wasn't thinking, maybe it's just the excitement of being at the outlet, but I saw the strap pretty much, and it was really battered, and it's like, I can't do anything with that. And so I just overlooked it. However, I ended up thinking when I got home, I began to say, I should have got that. Because all you have to do is cut the buckle off. And as you well know, if you can find one of the straps that have the little snaps where you can just exchange your buckles, I would have had me a genuine, authentic Louis Vuitton belt. But that's a lesson for you new thrifters that's coming out. Do not deny what you think may not work for you. If you see it and you like it, but second thoughts, at the outlet, just grab it anyway. Because anyway, outlet is by the pound, so. But anyway, today's video is going to be about belt buckles that I have accumulated throughout my thrifting adventures. And you're going to enjoy this. But first of all, you know what I'm going to say. Subscribe, subscribe, subscribe. And I want to thank you for all the subscribers that I do have. We're small in numbers. Comment, even if you don't want to subscribe, leave a comment. Just let me know that you liked it. Click the notification button so that you can know when I do upload. Now, I've been uploading like once a month. Just, you know, with life, things get so busy. But once things slow down, I'll be able to send out more videos because, you know, to tell you the truth, I love doing it. I just enjoy making videos. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do. So let's go on and get with this belt buckle haul. Okay guys, the first belt buckle that I found is this one here. It has a Western theme to it. It has the 4 stars and so forth. And I thought this is really cute. Really, really nice. And this is the back. This is what it looks like. So you'll be able to take the belt strap and just slide it through. And like I said, if it has the straps, and I'll show you one in just a second, you can just slide it through, snap it, and you have a belt buckle. The next one is this one. Isn't that beautiful? Now I love animal print. And it has the, I guess the sequins around here. It's a more dressier one. And you could probably go ahead and belt this over a blouse for the evening. Not necessarily, or if you just, you know, if you wear your belts with jeans as well, that's really, really nice. And again, it has that back. You just slide it through. The next one is this one. This is a little bit more dressier. Now this one is going to require, you notice it doesn't have the little hook. And I don't know if I can have that repaired, or there may be a belt buckle that you have that has, let me give you an example. This is a belt buckle right here, really nice, but it's not detachable. See the back, and you see this ring? If you happen to have a belt with just this part of it, you could probably slide it if it's thin enough in here. Just slide it through there and wear it that way. But yeah, I thought that was a very pretty one. Or another tip, if you like brooches, what you can do is, I'll leave that for a DIY for my next one. Okay, now this one, I found this at the Goodwill outlet, and I tell you, it is heavy, very heavy, but it is beautiful. Check that out. It's a rose. And I just got caught up in the moment. When I found it, it's like when you're going through the thrift stores, thrift shops, Goodwill outlet, Goodwill retail, and you find pieces like this. I mean, it's like, how can you not buy it? I mean, and that's what makes your whole wardrobe so different and unique. And you don't see a lot of people with the same thing, the same fashion, same styles, because you're building up your own collection of items, whether it's accessories, hats, belts, pins, whatever. You're building up your own wardrobe to your own specific and unique style. So I thought that was really nice. Here's another one I thought was really, really nice. And this is, I don't know, it feels like glass, but I don't know if it is or not. But this is a vintage piece. And I have a belt, and this is a different type of closure on this buckle, because I have a belt that has, remember I was saying about the little square slides that you can put in, and I don't think I have it right now, but on each end it has one of those slides, and I can pull one through on this end and one through this end, and the band is here, if you get my drift. But yeah, that's another way. And I may show you a clip of exactly what I'm talking about with that. So that's another one. And here's one of my favorites, the Saints buckle. And here's where you can slide the belt through. Really, really nice. Here's one, and this is an example of what I'm saying. I found this belt. Now, remember the story that I told about the Louis Vuitton buckle? Well, this is another example. MAC, I just thought that was nice because I'm old school, so y'all know what a MAC is. But anyway, look at the strap. See how destroyed it is? And this was a genuine leather. It's a genuine leather on here, but it's just been throughout the years. It's so old. But all you have to do is pull the strap, unsnap it, snap it here, and pull it out. Get rid of that. And I happen to have another belt strap with the snaps. That's how it looks in the back, and this is how it looks here. And all I'll have to do is just slide it through like that and snap it, and here you go. We have a new belt, and that slides through here, and you can adjust it to whatever size that you want. Isn't that nice? And I found this belt strap which was cool because I love leather. And this was a genuine leather. Belt. Split leather, I think it says that. Yeah, I can see it now. So, and that's why I say, so when you go out to these bins or when you're out thrifting anywhere and you see, oh, that's just a belt, grab it anyway. And especially if it has the snaps on it, because you can always exchange the buckle. If you have a belt that you love the belt strap, but you don't really care about the buckle, or even if it's not adjustable, but it has an awesome buckle, just cut it off, save it, and when you find the belt that has the straps on it, then by all means get it. Because I tell you, everybody knows that are avid thrifters that you better get it when you see it, because it's not going to be there when you go back for it. Okay, here's another one for you Western cowgirls or cowboys, cowmen, whatever. Here's another one, horse. I like that too. You want a Western theme? Then again, here's the little bracket here. You can just slide it through. But that's cool. And you see all of these unique pieces? It's really, really dope. And this is the belt that I was telling you guys about for the other one. If you can find belts like this, where you have the two ends like that. This is an elastic one. But it has the two ends like that. That buckle, I probably wouldn't wear this buckle with this, or who knows. But all you do for the back like that, you would take that and slide it into there on that end. And for the next one, you would take it and slide it on that end. And there you have that. Cool idea. So yeah, this was a short little video. I hope you guys like it. And again, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and just hit that notification bell so you'll know when I'll have my next video. So I hope you enjoyed it, and always remember, guys, live fashionably ever after. I'll see you next time. Bye.